How do planes take off? Why ice float on water? Where do penguins live?
It sharpens the brain, increase the wisdom.
Hello friends, you may have often put ice cubes into the glass of cold drink, but have you ever wondered why the cubes float on the water instead of sinking? Ice float on water because it is lighter than that. Long ago, a Greek scientist named Archimedes also wondered about it. He hit up a solution, which is today known as the Archimedes principle. He put forward the law of flotation of bodies. According to this law, whenever body placed in the water, two forces acting upon it. The weight of the body acting downward and the buoyant force of the water acting upward. If the weight of the body is equal to or less than the upward thrust of water, the body floats. In simpler words, a lighter object always floats on water. On the other hand, if the weight of the body is more than the weight of the water displaced by it, it sinks. This phenomenon is same as piece of wood floating on the surface of water. Since the weight of the wood is nearly half the weight of an equal volume of water, half of the wood remains submerged while the other half can be seen on the top. Generally, when the liquid changes into a solid, its molecules come closer to each other and it contracts. As a result, the volume of the liquid decreases and its density increases. Hence, a substance becomes heavier in solid state than in the liquid state. But then, what makes an ice cube float? When it freezes and changes into the ice, its molecules, instead of coming closer, expands. Thus, the volume of ice increases. As a result of this expansion, its density decreases to 9/10 of the density of water. So, if you try freezing 9 liter of water, you will get 10 liter of ice. Do you know that 9/10 of the ice is submerged in water while only 1/10 of it is visible? The ice cubes floating in your drink are very much similar to the icebergs floating in the sea. This also explains the reason why the maximum portion of the giant icebergs remains submerged in water while only a tip, that is the 1/10 part, is above the water. In the olden days, the number of ships sank, including the Titanic, as they could not see the iceberg submerged in water. This is why icebergs are considered to be dangerous. The ice underwater, that is the 1/10 of the whole, displaces water. The weight of the water displaced liquid equals to weight of the ice. The largest iceberg in 1956 was in the South Pacific. It was 335 kilometers long and 97 kilometers wide.